champion who belongs, we have to almost take back the time. Yes, it's true. If Bolt did not turn start and was not at his best, based on what we saw from Blake in that race in Zurich, we don't know what might have happened in that World Championship final. So yes, Bolt was maybe not afraid, but he was very aware of Blake and what he was capable of. So for once, maybe twice, we throw up our hands in the air and admit we might have been wrong. With Johan Blake in this kind of form, if Bolt or anybody else does not execute